Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. Here's a 1971 Lamborghini Miura SV, part of the Hot Wheels ID. Here's the stuff, if you want to read that. Alright, throw the box aside. So this is basically a recolor. The first one was yellow or kind of more goldish in color. I did review that one already. I really dig this like bright, like I want to say lime green, but this bright green spectral flame color. I think it really pops. Just think it's super cool, so I had to get it. Of course, you got your speed, your Hot Wheels ID rims on it. Also has an awesome clear green plastic base, so you can see your chip there. Check out those details on it. Miura SV, got your license plate, tail lights, of course your headlights. Separate piece for the grille, probably the interior as well. It's pretty awesome. I think this one is just really well done. I think this is like a must-have, especially if you dig your Lamborghinis, especially the Miura. Alright, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.